Hello, and welcome to training on how to use the Do Not Call feature within IQ Office. To begin, log into your IQ Office. If you don't know how to access the system, please contact your office administrator and they can help you with that. Once you're logged in, go to the Tools Preferences on the left-hand side of the screen and then to the Do Not Call button. This will open the Do Not Call list. From here, you can type in phone numbers that you would like to call. If you have multiple numbers, you can enter them in by clicking Return and making sure there is one phone number per line. Please include the area code for each phone number. Once all numbers are entered, click Search. This will pull up if they are on the Do Not Call list. If you select the up arrow on the right-hand side of the screen, it will add this number to your company's Do Not Call list. However, it does not register them with the Do Not Call list nationally. This has been training on how to use the Do Not Call list within IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.